Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to overlay PDFs in PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is click onto the Organize tab on the top here. Then below that, we've got the option to overlay. So we can go ahead and the overlay box is going to appear like so. Now from here where it says source and page range, we want to go ahead and choose something to overlay. So I can choose anything inside of here. So if I want to go ahead and for this demonstration, just use this like so to overlay. Now below that, we can select all pages or custom. So I might just select the custom page. So one of one, I've got 16 pages, but if you want to check all, you can. Now under import options, we can check on do not create a new layer. We can create a new layer, check properties, or copy corresponding layers from source. I'm just going to go ahead and click on do not create a new layer, or we can choose create new layer. Now below that, we've got some destination pages. So we do all are custom. So I might do page 1 of 16. For this demonstration, rotation, we can rotate it like so. We can change the opacity. So I might change this to say 25%. Scale, we can change the scale as well, make it smaller or larger, blend mode, and then from there we can go ahead and click on OK, and then that's how to overlay pages or PDFs inside a PDF XChange Editor.